This is a complete unboxing video of a PD model, including machine assembly, threading, startup testing, and patterns. Use a Phillips screwdriver top rea open the buckle of the wooden box. First, remove the top wooden board. Then take out the table and other miscellaneous parts. Next, we will begin removing the side panels. After disassembling the box, install the machine bracket first. Remove the gaskets and screws from the toolkit that comes with the machine. Then take out a 4mm wrench. We'll use these screws. Connect them together. Please note that this fixed block is on the outer side. After aligning the machine base, place the gasket. Remove the two diagonal screws at the bottom. Remove the machine protective film. Align the machine with the bracket hole and place it on. Secure the machine and frame with screws. The assembly part is completed. Raise and secure the cable rack. Place the line axis. Connect the new line with the existing line. Pull the line downwards until the new wire is pulled out. Then thread the wires. Add an appropriate amount of white oil to the oil pot. Remove the shuttle shell and core. Add 1 to 2 drops of white oil. Install the shuttle core. Pay attention to the direction of the outgoing line facing to the right. Install it onto the rotary shuttle, and there will be a clicking sound when successfully installed. Add 1 to 2 drops of white oil to the needle rod. Connect the power cord to turn on the machine. Step 1. Check if there are needle position numbers present. Turn the main shaft to 100. Step 2. Color change function test. Change color from 1st to 12th. Change color again from the 12th to the 1st. Step 3. Needle down operation. Needle in the center of the pinhole. Step 4. Cut line test. Step 5. X and Y drive detection. Step 6. Wire breakage detection. Click Settings. Click on the machine to debug. Click on Test Thread Break. If the green light is on, it indicates normal operation. Step 8. Box selection function testing. Install the embroidery frame before embroidering the pattern. Let's first install the tension frame onto the armrest. Left 5 holes on each side. This way, the location will be very accurate. Just tighten the screws next. Then select the box. Select the garment frame that has just been installed. It will automatically frame. Final step. Import the pattern. Choose the pattern you want to import. You can change colors. You can start embroidery now.